It's Ginny from Surrey Libraries again. Are you ready for story time? I'm in right, out right, up right, down right, happy to be here. Sing along with me. I'm in right, out right, up right, down right, happy to be here. Let story time begin. Come on and join right in. I'm in right, out right, up right, down right, happy to be here. Well, today, boys and girls, I have stories for you all about birds. I love to hear the birds singing in the morning, twittering in the trees, flying around from housetop to housetop. Do you know that you can sometimes pretend that you're a bird? You can flap your wings, and you can make all kinds of bird sounds, tweet, 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 or whoo, 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 like an owl. Well, this story that I have for you this morning is called Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousins and published by Candlewick Press. And in this book, there are lots and lots of different bird sounds and actions that you can do. Can you imagine, for just one day, you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird. Hooray! The sun is up and the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! Can you say that like a rooster? Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher, up, up in the sky. Flap your wings and fly. Hop, 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 and peck, 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 like a woodpecker. Now swim along and stretch up your neck like a swan. Say, hello, darling, like a parrot. Then swoop like a starling. Swoop. Swoop up and sit down and swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Can you do that? Stand very tall on just one leg. Can you stand very tall on one leg like a flamingo? Say cluck cluck and lay an egg. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing, sing, sing. Tra-la-la, tweet, tweet, tweet. Hum, hum, hum. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich, go, go, go. Show off your tail and puff out your chest. Then cuddle up close with Mama in your nest. What a busy bird you've been, the funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say good night. To-it, to-woo, hoo, hoo. And that is Hooray for Birds. Did you have fun hopping and scratching and flying and twittering with all the different kinds of birds in that story? Well, I have another little rhyme for you that includes some other birds. These are two little blackbirds. One and two. So you can follow along and do this rhyme with me. You can just use your fingers. You don't need to have puppets. You can just hold up one finger on this side and one finger on that side to be two little birds. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill, one named Jack, one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. Two little blackbirds flying in the sky. One flew low and one flew high. Fly away, low, fly away, high. Come back, low, come back, high. Two little blackbirds sitting on the ice. One was mean and one was nice. Fly away, mean, fly away, nice. Come back, mean, come back, nice. Two little blackbirds sitting on the gate. One was wobbly and one was straight. Fly away, wobbly, fly away, straight. Come back, wobbly, come back, straight. Two little blackbirds sitting on a cloud. One was quiet and one was loud. Fly away, quiet, fly away, loud. Come back, quiet, come back, loud. Oh, there you go. A rhyme about two little blackbirds. Okay, well, over here on the felt board, you can see I have a tree, and we're going to have a rhyme about owls. There was one hoot owl in the tree. Hoo, hoo. There was one hoot owl in the tree. Hoo, hoo. She called up to the sky to an owl passing by, and that owl came and joined her happily. Hoo, hoo. There were two hoot owls in the tree. Hoo, hoo. There were two hoot owls in the tree. Hoo, hoo. They called up to the sky to an owl passing by, and that owl came and joined them happily. Hoo, hoo. There were 1, 2, 3 hoot owls in the tree. Hoo, hoo. There were 3 hoot owls in the tree. Hoo, hoo. They called up to the sky to an owl passing by, and that owl came and joined them happily. Hoo, hoo. There were 4 hoot owls in the tree. Hoo, hoo. There were 4 hoot owls in the tree. Hoo, hoo. They called up to the sky to an owl passing by, and that owl came and joined them happily. Hoo, hoo. How many owls do we have in the tree now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little owls. Well, I hope you enjoyed this owl and bird story time. It's time for me to go. It's time to rise up, up, up. It's time to go down, down, down. It's time to rise up, up, up. And now we all turn around. Now we all clap our hands. And now we all touch the sky. And now we all take a bow. And now we all wave goodbye. Goodbye for today, everyone. I hope you'll join me again soon for story time. Have a lovely day.